There's lots of ways to end a tune, from just stopping to having an elaborate ending with lots of chord changes and everything. Probably the simplest way is if you know a turnaround, you can always use that as the ending. Also the intro, incidentally. So let's take a turnaround that we all know in C. I've got a video covering this. I'll put a link to it in the description. But basically you're walking, with a turnaround you walk from the 1 to the 5. With a turnaround you stay on the 5 for the 12th bar. And then you come back, because the 5 leads you back to the 1. If you want to end it, you still walk up to the 5, but you don't stay on the 5, you go right back to the 1. Okay? So, let's look at the left hand for that. Let's say we've got a shuffle rhythm or a swing 8th note feel, same thing. We're going to have... That's how you do it. That's the left hand pattern. Let's go through those notes again. Whatever fingers you want to use is fine. G only gets once. And then C sharp, C. In time, we got 2, 3, 4, 1. So you see there's a little break between the G and the C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and. And a nice chord to put with that is, it's nice to end on a C9. So you just take that up a half step for your C sharp, and you play the exact same chord parallel. Move it down. There's your C9. There's your C sharp 9. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. That's probably the most basic, simple ending. You can use scales you already have, put them there. Now you've got your ending to the song. So you can use those same notes, but there's a standardized rhythm that people will always play when they're ending. Not every ending ends like this, but you're not going to hear this rhythm usually, except for an ending. And it's the same notes, but the rhythm is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. So you still end on 2 and, but this first little anticipation is the thing that's different. 1 and 2. Okay, so this is an 8th note. 1 and, nothing on beat 2. And then you've got 3, 4. So these are quarter notes. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. That's another quarter note. Or, I mean, you don't hold it, but it takes up the quarter note time. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and. That's the rhythm. Same chords at the end. And this is better for faster songs because you're not bouncing each note. You're just... So if you're doing something, let me lead into it. Like... Okay. Now over top of that, you can do nothing in the right hand like I just did, or you can put any lick that you want. Anything you think sounds good. Start with lick number 1. In my teaching paradigm, this is lick number 1. So let's put that over it. So it's a variation. You could vary it in any other ways. That's also lick 1. Lick 1 has infinite variations. Use the same notes, but you can play them however you want. That's the beauty of this music. It's So I like that one. Okay, that works fast. One of my favorites is to go like that. So that's lick 1. And then I add that little tag on the ending. Okay. And then get right to that chord. You could do it lower. An alternate way, instead of going, you can walk up. You've heard this a lot, I'm sure. So what I did there was, it doesn't matter what fingering you use to get up to G, but when you get to G, put your 4th finger, so you have this nice little straight line there. So there is no C sharp, right? I didn't go to C sharp with the left hand, so I'm not playing a C sharp 9 chord. But what you can put instead is, what works really well with is, that's what I call lick number 3. Those are the notes for lick number 3. Okay. 4th finger on black notes, 5th finger on the white notes. And that works really well with this. So now we've got, okay. Timing of the left hand is still the same. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now we've got 1 and 2 and. And these are 1 and. You don't want to put anything with beat 1 usually. Right on that downbeat is just the left hand. But on the and, when you play the E, that's where you come in with the right hand. Usually. If you need a starting place, kind of a standardized rule, use that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we've got, and you can hit a C9 there at the end if you want. So